OZAR presents Reporting Malicious IPs from DMARC Aide. Welcome to DMARC Aide, your ultimate tool for managing and analyzing DMARC reports. In this video, we'll explore how to report malicious IP addresses harvested by DMARC Aide to online services like AbuseIPDB, enhancing your email security by proactively alerting about harmful actors. First, let's quickly introduce what AbuseIPDB.com is. It's a powerful online service that allows users and administrators worldwide to report IP addresses involved in abusive or malicious activities to help create a safer internet environment for everyone by increasing awareness of the known threats. Let's start by importing a few DMARC reports into DMARC Aide directly from the mail.app on the Mac. I'll simply right-click the DMARC XML attachment, select Open With, and choose DMARCAide.app. Notice how effortlessly the report gets imported. This handy import feature is also available on our iPhone and iPad versions. And if you're using both Mac and iOS apps, your reports and harvested IP lists synchronize seamlessly across your devices via iCloud, keeping everything unified and updated. Now, let's open one of the imported DMARC reports within DMARC Aide. Here, you can easily spot the malicious IP addresses involved. To report an IP manually, I just click to select it, copy the IP address, and then navigate to AbuseIPDB.com. On the AbuseIPDB site, I paste the IP into the reporting form, fill in the necessary details, and submit the report. It's that simple, but there's an even quicker way to handle large batches of malicious IPs. Let's head back to DMARC Aide and go into the IP list view. This feature conveniently gathers all malicious IPs detected from your DMARC reports. Now, I can export these IP addresses into a CSV file, making sure to choose the Export Unreported Records Only option, minimizing duplication. A major time saver here. DMARC Aide automatically prepares a concise yet detailed description explaining exactly why each IP address should be reported. This description is readily available in both the individual records and the exported CSV, saving you the hassle of manually composing explanations for each IP. One important note to avoid false positives: ensure your email system and DNS records are properly configured. DMARC Aide captures IP addresses failing DKIM or SPF checks, clearly indicating attempts to spoof your domain. To prevent genuine IP addresses from being flagged, confirm that your SPF and DKIM records correctly authenticate all legitimate senders associated with your domain. And remember, even if a legitimate IP sneaks in, DMARC Aide lets you easily filter and remove it from the IP list. Finally, let's demonstrate bulk reporting. On AbuseIPDB.com, go to the bulk reporting section. AbuseIPDB expects a specific CSV format: columns like IP, categories, report date, and comment, which DMARC Aide conveniently provides. All I have to do is click Choose File, select the CSV file we just exported, and upload it. That's all there is to it. Remember, AbuseIPDB only accepts reports for incidents occurring within the last 2 months. Every IP you've seen reported in this demonstration is a genuine malicious actor we've caught in the act. By reporting them and showing you how to do so, we're also contributing to a safer digital world. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next updates. You can get DMARC Aide from the App Store by clicking one of the links in the description. For more information about the use of our products as well as tips and resources, visit our website at www.ozar.net.